Welcome to the Travel in Sidney, Ohio. The hotel features non-smoking rooms, a completely smoke-free environment, and complimentary breakfast items. You can expect to feel comfortable and relaxed during your stay with us. The hotel offers free Wi-Fi, free parking, and air conditioning. Among the hotel's amenities are microwave, refrigerator, room service, and accessible rooms. People searching for hotels near Green Tree Park often choose our hotel. Our hotel in Sidney provides conveniently named and memorable accommodations options. Those who travel in all types of vehicles will benefit from this decision. Nearby attractions include Walmart Supercenter, 0.5 miles, and Green Tree Park, 0.7 miles. We offer convenience, comfort, and unforgettable memories at Travel in Sidney, Ohio. You can access our website by clicking the link in the video description, www.travelinsidneyoh.com.